Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. April 25th, 2025. It's pretty clear by now that Asian equity markets are held hostage to trade talks, principally between America and China. That's why they are whipsawing so strongly, up one day and down the next without any major change in underlying fundamentals. Today, once again, much of Asian equity markets we monitor here were up, and once again on optimism regarding trade talks, once again between America and China. Yet, ironically, China was marginally down as Beijing rejected the presence of any such trade talks. And so we go round in circles. Pakistani and Indian markets were also down, and also for non-market reasons. Their reason was building geopolitical tension at the borders. Let's look at the Pakistani market, and let's start with the hourly chart now. Notice how in the first hour the market shot up almost 800 points. Over the next 3 hours it fell like a rock, losing 21-30 points. And in the last 2 hours, it once again shot up and gained about 2,044 points. That also explains why the stochastics, a measure of volatility, jumped from oversold zones all the way up. Now come to the daily chart and notice how the volatility, as explained by 14-day ATR, average 2 range, has increased from 1780 yesterday to 1810 today, meaning that it would not be implausible to see a move of the magnitude of almost 2,000 points in either direction when the market opens on Monday. Notice also that this increased volatility has happened amid decreasing volumes, which means that mostly big institutions have been moving their money around. At this point, we have no way of knowing whether they were accumulating their stocks or redistributing the resources. It will only become apparent when we see market action on Monday. A telling fact is that the momentum on the daily chart, as measured by RSI, is now confined in a narrow range between 40 and 60. If it drops below 40, it would be confirmation that the market has now effectively, technically, properly moved out of its bullish range and entered corrective territory. These are very interesting yet very volatile times, and market action is determined more by outside noise, exogenous factors than its own fundamentals. That is why it is more important than ever to keep a very close eye on market and its technicals than before. We'll be watching very closely, so stay tuned.